What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skate Park. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to do frontside 50-50s on ledges. So check it out. The skill level for this lesson is beginner, and the risk level for this lesson is low. For this lesson, it helps if you can skate comfortably, ollie consistently, kick turn backside, kick turn frontside, complete a rolling drop off a curb, frontside kick turn off a curb, and knee slide. If you don't know how to do any of these, please refer back to my other videos on this channel to catch up. Start with a ledge that is no higher than your skateboard when your board's on its side. Now place your skateboard on its side so the wheels touch against the outside of the low ledge. Use some painter's tape to tape a line parallel with your board just in front of the grip tape. This pop line will help provide a visual guide for when to pop your ollie. Now slide your board back so the nose is in the middle of the tape line. Now tape another line parallel to the nose. You can make this line as long as you need so you can see it from a distance. This line will guide you into the ledge so you can learn the angle needed to ollie into your grind. Now flip your board over so your nose faces the opposite direction and lay down another tape line. This way you'll have a tape line for learning frontside and backside 50-50s that'll help guide you into the angle needed to get onto your 50-50. Remember that frontside is when your front or chest is facing the ledge. Here's what your 3 guidelines should look like when you're finished taping them on the ground. Here are the simple steps for a frontside 50-50 on a ledge. Take a screenshot of this foot setup position so you have it for later. Start about 20 feet back from a low ledge that you want to grind. Push off into slow to medium speed and place your feet into ollie position. Ollie position is when your front foot is about 2 inches behind the second set of front bolts on your front truck. Look down and center your pinky toe in between the 2 hardware bolts. Now place your back foot on the tail and center your foot so the balls of your feet are in the middle of the tail. You can put your pinky toe and your back foot on the edge of the tail or even let it hang off a little bit for extra pop. Remember to keep your body weight off of your heels and more over the balls of your feet when you pop for extra power. Next, make sure that your entrance angle into the ledge matches the frontside guide tape line. Just before you get to the ledge, bend down and pop hard before the nose of your board passes over the pop line that is parallel to the ledge. As you pop, begin to turn your shoulders parallel to the ledge. Lock into your grind so your heel wheels are against the outside most edge of the ledge. Bend down into your grind with your legs strong, head centered between your feet, knees slightly bent, and shoulders matching the ledge. For extra balance, it helps to lean slightly over your toes while grinding so your body weight stays on top of the ledge. As your grind starts to slow down, begin to stand up as you lean back on your heels and push on the tail. Make sure to slightly swing your shoulders as you lean back into your frontside kick turn as you drop off and into your landing and roll away. Remember that this is a channel and we have many more videos to help you. So please click the blue Skate Heart logo to learn more. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. We put a lot of time and love into making quality educational videos for you. We even upload them for free to help more people around the world. So please send a donation to help us keep this channel alive for you. Donation details and other important information, including my board setup, are in the description box below. Leave me your comments or represent your country, including any questions you may have, your thoughts or feedback about this video, and ideas or lessons for future videos, so I can continue to do my best to help you guys reach your goals. I hope you were inspired by this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons.